We have left the familiar flat plane of the planets behind. As we push past the orbit of Pluto and the scattered disk of the Kuiper Belt, we enter the final, most desolate frontier of our home system, the Oort Cloud. This is not a ring, but a colossal sphere, a shell of icy debris that encases our solar system like a bubble. It is vast beyond comprehension, stretching nearly a light year into the void, halfway to the nearest star. Here, trillions of silent sentinels drift in the eternal night. These are the long-period comets, frozen relics that have not felt the warmth of the sun for billions of years. While most of these objects are small shards of ice, others are massive, frozen worlds that rival the size of Ceres and Pluto. They drift in the darkness, unnamed and unseen by human eyes. And somewhere in this vast spherical wilderness, there may be a giant hiding in the shadows. Astronomers call it Planet 9. We have not yet seen it, but we feel its ghost. By studying the strange, clustered orbits of distant icy bodies, scientists have detected the gravitational fingerprint of a massive world, perhaps 5 to 10 times the mass of Earth, lurking deep in the Oort Cloud. It is a phantom planet, shepherding the flock of ice dwarfs with its gravity, waiting to be found. But we cannot stay to hunt ghosts. We pierce the veil of the Oort Cloud and cross the final threshold. We are now in interstellar space. The distance between stars is a concept the human mind struggles to grasp. It is not merely empty, it is a chasm of time. To travel from our sun to its nearest neighbor, even at the speed of light, 186,000 miles per second, would take over 4 years. For a conventional rocket, it would take nearly 80,000 years. Here, in the void, the silence is absolute. There is no wind, no sound, only the thin, tenuous drift of hydrogen gas and cosmic dust. It is a lonely ocean, and we are sailing into the deep. After crossing the Great Divide, we arrive at our nearest cosmic neighbors, the Alpha Centauri system. This is not a single sun, but a complex celestial dance of 3. Dominating the center are Alpha Centauri A and B, 2 sun-like stars locked in a gravitational embrace, orbiting each other every 80 years. If you stood on a world near them, you would see the spectacle of 2 suns in your sky. But the true intrigue lies with the third member of this family, the faint red dwarf star known as Proxima Centauri. Here,